Sin is believing. I switch it out Facebook. I switch it out Facebook. I see you can't get Facebook. All our presenters, when they call themselves Benin people, we don't work. We not your do. What we do, do to the world. You put shame on you people. Shame on una. Shame and disgrace go the entire body. No, no. Shame and disgrace must the enter the body. Una they post a care queen naked video up and down for Facebook till they congratulate them. The same attitude where I quarrel with Napo and do with that woman when I boget. I know the name where they call that one. Because a care queen come out for live video content and say, if I not post that picture, because that little threat where that guy give now, and the shame for them. You know, I'm not even they blame the women, but now the useless men with this and that they play pass. The useless one we call beneath people. When I call a men, when I call say presenter, when I say be live video presenter, when I anonymity, it must you say do. Who are man? Majority of now. Shame on now. Or who not ban no avec you. When shame and disgrace upon Benin. Una this kind of phone, they share the same naked picture. Oh, now Ekiakun is practicing immorality. Ekiakun they promote shame and disgrace to the Benin kingdom. No. Ekiakun go carry belle come out as a Benin woman with nakedness. They dance for social media. Una go they follow and go they clap put. It's still born. And they see our men. They share the same picture. Just like this animal we did for France. We call it Don Priest, Don Mumu. No, what we are doing. When I share agua, water, awoba, awewo. Shame and disgrace fall on top of your head. Both the old one and the old fool. When I call ourselves gonna be man. Who are hoa. If I want fekule lo here. Who are zua. We not share any keddes ohoni. Ya agbe congratulations yo. Yes, I biomo or my bioma. Who are beer. I will siwo. In a very beautiful manner. Not by showing the picture that people are supposed to be the abomination to the land. Using it to congratulate her. It's a shame and disgrace upon her head. It shows that you don't value your wife at all. Not just CNN, but not CNN. Why you show social media? Shame to you people, you are not Benin men. What you do? Who are far wow more my biwa. Why you were just on what Nunyan can yet ya go. Because why more? This is the reason why our generation today has become something different. We all celebrate immorality. We celebrate nuisance. We celebrate fornication. Somebody will talk something reasonable. Nobody wants to share. Nobody wants to watch. Ekiakun carry nakedness to come and carry belly come on social media. 6.1 people they view him. All saying congratulations, beautiful, sexy. Say shame to you, man. No, be human being. Why you do my viewer and go there and watch people that are viewing her beneath people. I'm a viewer. Why more? Why more? And it's shame for our men. I don't even talk to the women. I don't talk to the women at all. The women are innocent. BMI, most of all those women be. But the men, you put a bunch of fools. Why mama be what? No, right, nakedness, no, got Kokoni ban the core, you talk. Now, no, water, now go your money. People does not really know the meaning of water. I was ashamed when the queen was talking to this thing called Priceless. Where she did worship another prick when she get prick for house. Oh God, no worship a carry your master way. No more a good way of that way cherish to that way mugoshi. Or when I know be doing you, I will value them on her. Carry a come on that they eat on the dance. They find views. Now, it is now pregnancy show, open pregnancy on social media. I was ashamed of this called Tundra Organic Skincare. Shame to you, my sister. You are a big shame, a big disgrace to womanhood. When we do, now you are why. Imagine to a murder in Salakuta. Or back where whether you are married or you are not married, I don't know. I know you are pregnant. And you, because you don't see a Kiakun, they bring the come out. Now it's GPC celebration of Echo, naked Echo. They use and they do live video. My mate, they do one. I want to do one. Nobody want to emulate good thing. It's a bad thing. Immorality, adulterous, disgrace, shame, abomination. Everyone celebrates. People are not celebrating abomination. If Tundra Organic Skincare came out to be advertising a cream, nobody watch her. I've seen her on several occasions advertising a cream. Nobody want to watch her. But when that girl came out with her nakedness, she get 1,000 plus people watching her because of her naked and her body will not see because of her belly. What kind of word are you people going now? Which kind of word na con day now? Word will be say, fathers, grandfathers, they celebrate immorality. Word will be say, our forefathers, our papa, we're supposed to advise their children, and now they want clapping for their children for nonsense, for abomination when they commit. Now go say this was not balance. No, not balance. I go not balance it. Also, no made a mistake. Also, no settle down and I cannot imagine me now a pregnant woman. The woman go say they do shower baby. Baby need a shower like any. You come naked in body, come see in your bra, in your pants. Say they never see who get belly before. I will value them on her. Oh, no, what the man I want to work here. Some women will be pregnant, they're going to deny her at the day of mass. Nowadays, women are happy to get pregnant so that they go show all their nakedness, so that they go show all their body. They go see the one with their skin fresh. They go see the one where they use with their skin, where they get done, cut for body. What are you, which one are they teaching our children? That the same children will come to this world tomorrow, become a criminal. They will come to become a kidnappers. They will come to this world and become a Yahoo boys. No, when they complain. When you have already exposed them to the world, even when they were seen in your belly. I'll see old men presenter when I call us what the book is the book. I don't tell me agree back. Every night I sag more than so. When you boom one we call them the Benima. When they practice culture and tradition. Israel was in O2 arena, raising a kingdom, shouting about a talk by, shouting about getting a talk by. None of our being presenter. Post that picture, post that video, promote that culture, take it out to the world. But see our being presenter running after naked pictures on social media. It's a shame to you people. I'm a viewer. Obi Kubanachi priest just utter a little word to the Edo people, and we all came out after that. The man has to come out categorically and apologize to the Edos all over the world. But our own brother go on that event, take Edo to the world, promote Edo culture. We don't promote it. We don't show the video. A picture. That video is on your post profile. No. Profile. Shame to you people. Why more? Nakedness of the profile. Because you want born Jesus Christ. Are they shameful now? Are they wonder where they lead these people? This is our new generation. They go whereby our father now they celebrate immorality. They celebrate nonsense. They celebrate shame and disgrace. They celebrate abomination. None of you go build house for Nigeria, build mansion for Nigeria. When I post them for social media, may they celebrate them. May they say, oh, congratulations. I saw a post of Destiny Ebagwa opening his house. Only one person I posted, which is Dada Massis. Ambassador Dadamassis, now post that picture. None of the prisoners, none of the people even go there, go comment, go post. But to now go feed a post naked woman picture for social media.